I'm Jack Fleeman with the Pecos Law Group. In Nevada, there are two types of child custody. The first type of child custody is legal custody. Legal custody defines a parent's rights, obligations, and responsibilities regarding their children. A joint legal custodian will have rights to know where their child lives, to know whom their child lives with, and to have access to things like school records and medical records. With legal custody, a parent has a right and a responsibility to have input on decisions regarding medical care, health care, and religious upbringing. In the state of Nevada, almost all parents are granted joint legal custody. In a few rare instances, a parent can be granted sole legal custody. In those instances, one parent is generally a drug abuser or perhaps a violent criminal. The other type of custody in Nevada is physical custody. Physical custody entails who your child lives with and who makes day-to-day decisions during their certain timeshares. There are three types of custodial designations that you can have in the state of Nevada. The first reason is a modification. If you're seeking a modification of child custody in the future and you don't have joint physical custody, it is very difficult to obtain the modification. A parent with joint physical custody has less of a burden to prove than a parent who has non-custodial rights of visitation seeking a modification. The second issue is relocation. A parent with joint physical custody will have a much more difficult time relocating out of state with their child than a parent who already has primary physical custody. The third reason is child support. A parent who has primary physical custody of their child is entitled to child support from the other parent. The other parent's child support obligation is primarily based on their income, but there are other factors. In situations where parents have joint physical custody, the child support is determined based primarily on both of the parents' incomes, and generally one parent, especially if they make a significant amount of money more than the other parent, will be paying child support to the other parent.